Talking about accessories, the SSF Slide system is for a support system. So the male slide goes onto the holster, while the female slide will go onto your support system, which is a belt loop, or maybe your leg harness, or even, if needed, on your Modular platform. The basic function is you take the holster, it is sitting on your belt, and you just click it in, and now it's clicked in. In order to release it, you just press down the levers on the bottom and release, and now you can take it from your belt side, if needed, to your leg harness, which is right here. Or even, if needed, you can bring it back onto your chest Modular system. Okay. All these accessories in the SSF Slide you can find on our radar catalog or on our website www.radar1957.com. Discussing the topic of support system and accessories, the RDC disc, rotation disc system, male disc is on the holster, while a female disc will sit on your support, whether it is your belt loop, it can be on your leg harness, or even, if needed, on a Modular system such as this one, a W Modular system, very compact Modular system. How it works: you take the holster with the male disc, insert it from the bottom into the female disc, and press. Now your holster is locked in. So you have it on your belt and it's locked in. There are two levers on each side that will work in order to release up, and you can then move it towards your, maybe you have your Modular vest with your W Modular support. You put in your holster and it's now ready. Again, you press the two side levers simultaneously and take it out. The rotation system is given by a central lever that is pushed down, and you can just rotate your holster 360 degrees as much as you wanted. So in general, it is possible to have my holster sitting straight like this on my belt. I can then sit down and turn it around if I want to, or I can remove it and then put it on my chest rig and turn it and be ready. All these accessories plus the RDC system, you can find them on our catalog or on our website www.radar1957.com. Getting into the issue of supports, we're now talking about belt loops and Modular systems. We have different belt loops for different carry in different heights and positions. This is a high ride belt carry. It sits high on your belt. It has two notches that can be brought up in order to reduce the light and reduce for a different size belt. All these belt loops are made in injection molded PA6 nylon polymer, which is very sturdy and very hard. This is a medium ride belt loop. The holster will sit a little bit lower on your belt, while this is a low ride belt loop, and we call it in an S shape as is the medium belt loop. They're in an S shape so that the holster with the pistol will sit a little bit farther away from your hip. The same S-shaped belt loop, we have it like this. These are all slots for regular 55 millimeters belt loop belts. In the back, it has a belt bite so that you can adjust in height. We also have, instead of the S shape, we have a flat shape belt loop, again with the belt bite in the back. Why is it flat? Because on this belt loop we would then attach accessories such as your RDC system or URRS system or a slide, and already then the holster will come out and sit away from the body, so with the support in the middle. So that is why this is flat. Another belt carry system is the paddle. The paddle will go inside and out on your belt. It has the two notches on the bottom so that it sits tight on your belt, and you can then take it off easily and reposition the holster and the pistol on the desk or in your locker. We have, of course, spacers of different size, dimensions and angle that you can put on the various belt loop systems in order to give more space, even more space, between the body and the weapon or the holster. Talking about accessories, I wanted to just dwell into the MOLLE system. We have a compact type, it's called a W, as it is shaped in 2U's W MOLLE system. Everything is in injection molded. It will slide into your MOLLE system and you will have it ready on your vest or on different parts of your vest or even on your backpack if that is needed. We have a different system which is what we call octopus or M-shape MOLLE system. This one is more for a blast belt. You have big blast belts and you can put that then on there. Another type would be the MOLLE panel, which is a rubberized, softer panel so that you can curve it around in conditions where you need this type of feature. All these accessories you can find on our catalog or on our website at www.radar1957.com. Discussing accessories and leg plates. The leg plates or leg harnesses, we have different types. Basically, this is the standard 2+2, which is 2 points to the attached to the belt and 2 to the leg. The platform is made in high resistant injection molded PA6 nylon, which is very, very sturdy but also flexible at the same time. You can see there are slots and holes in order to put your accessories, like we did here as an example. This is a magazine pouch holder. The buckles in this type are swiveling buckles. They will swivel around, but we can also put, of course, fixed side buckles. This is also a type of leg harness, so it has the same base. The only difference is it has a pivoting belt loop, so it pivots and it moves with you when moving around. Also here, pivoting buckles and a nice nylon PA6 injection molded leg harness. This is a more simple version in which the one attachment to the belt loop is made with Velcro, which is adjustable in height. Also here, pivoting buckles to the belt, to the leg, to the thigh, and injection molded PA6 nylon. Another type of leg harness is a more compact type of leg harness. So this is one strap to the thigh, again with a pivoting buckle, and this type has the pivoting belt loop. This type has the Velcro adjustable loop. Basically, it's a very compact platform. You can just hook it on your thigh, and then it will sit on your belt with the belt loop passed through it. This is the pivot point, and basically while you move, it will move with you, so that when you sit down and you run, everything moves. It sits higher up than a regular leg plate, and this way it's a lot more compact, safe, and sturdy on the leg. It doesn't tend to move down to the smaller part of your leg and then become loose and wiggle around. All these products and its accessories you can find on our catalog or on our website at www.radar1957.com.